So this is the Olympus Trip 35. I just picked it up from the thrift shop and I just wanted to make a video about it. So it works by a solar cell around the lens element. It has a 40mm f2.8 Zuiko lens. So the camera selects the shutter speed and aperture for the user, and all we have to do is focus using the focus zoning system that they have, which is labeled as a 1-person, 2-person, a family, and a mountain. And then we can adjust the aperture when using a flash. So, but it says for flash only, so when you're shooting without a flash, just switch it to automatic. So from the bottom we can see that they have the distances in feet and meters, so it goes from 1 meter all the way to infinity, and from 3 feet all the way to infinity. Also on the bottom we have the film release button, and on the top we have the shutter button and the film rewind. And yeah, I picked this up from the thrift shop for $7, but as you guys can maybe see, on the edge there the skin is kind of like peeling up, or the vinyl or whatever it is. So I just wanted to make a video kind of just showing my process of reskinning the camera. So yeah, I kind of got this video idea from this other guy. I'll put his YouTube channel up right now. I kind of had the idea before, and then I kind of YouTubed it, and I saw that he had this video already up, so I just thought I'd credit him because I just wanted to try it out. But yeah, shout out to that guy. Go subscribe to him, and so I guess let's just continue on with the tutorial.